Good morning, you guys. Today I'm making my homemade chili. I got my chili on deck, my chili seasoning. So I'm gonna wash my cans off, guys, and we're gonna get started. This is my kidney beans and my chili ready diced tomatoes. You make sure you drain all the juices off of these. Let me get my container, you guys. My drainer. Okay, here's my drainer. Let me rinse it off. I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see. Okay. So I'm going to rinse my cans off. Oh, you guys probably can't even see this stuff. Can you guys see that? I don't think you can. Maybe you can see it on the angle like this. This is my chili beans. Rinse my can off. I have my ground beef over here cooking. And what I do, you guys, I take the little lid off, throw in the garbage, and I put it in here and get all those juices off. And I rinse my beans off. My beans. So I hope your morning is going pretty good. Mine is going well so far. Ouch. So let me take you back so you can see. And that's my crock pot over here. Okay. Once again, you rinse it out. You drain it, not rinse it. That's what I meant to say. So I'm going to add 1 can to my crock pot. This is my chili sauce. I'm sorry, tomato sauce. I'm all over the place. I'm trying to listen to the television. You guys here. And you pour that in there. You only need 1 can of this. So I'm going to rinse this one off as well. And I'm going to drain my ground beef. And here's my second can. Okay, I'm going to add my kidney beans. Okay, here's my ground beef, you guys. I had added some red bell peppers, so let me drain this and put this in the wash. And I season my ground beef with like black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Get a little seasoning. Let's say, okay. So everything is drained, you guys. Can you see that? So I'm gonna put this in here. And I'm bringing this up closer. So I'm going to add my mild chili seasoning. And I'm going to give it a stir. So hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys. This is my chili here. So I'm going to stir it up. I add everything and stir it up. Now I'm going to add just a little water, you guys. Like a half a cup. Okay. So make sure everything is in there okay. So I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning. Okay, you guys. So hold on. Okay, you guys. So onion powder. A little garlic salt. And a little garlic powder. So you're going to stir this and you're going to let this, well, it's in a crock pot. So next time I'll probably be checking on this, maybe will be 2 hours later. Then I'm going to give it a taste and see how the seasoning in there. So that's how Sue makes her homemade chili. And she have oyster crackers. So I hope you enjoy this day. And happy Sunday. And bye-bye for now.